Hello world, welcome back to the Razor RC, and we're back at with the Savage XS Flux from HPI Racing. I've been driving it for the last month or two, having a lot of fun with this little monster truck. It's been surprisingly durable as well. Pretty much nothing has broken, but I just want to share some little tips and tricks I've learned along the way as I've been driving it. A special shout out to Your RC for sponsoring this series of videos. Do have a 5% off coupon code and a link in the description below where you can get 5% off your entire store. So if you want a HPI Racing Savage or Savage 4.6 or XL, or you want a Team Corrale or an X-Ray or a Tamiya, an Arma, Traxxas, whatever you want, they pretty much carry bashers, racers, nitro, all kinds of good stuff. So definitely check them out. Definitely also put in your shipping information and your currency just to make sure you have the right information, because it does vary depending on where you live and your shipping address and all that kind of stuff. Pulling off the body, here's the vehicle itself. As you can see, it's still quite dirty. Just got back from bashing this thing. Had a lot of fun with it. Need to clean it off. But I did want to share some little tips and tricks. So first off, the vehicle does come with grease within the differentials. I would clean them out, put in diff oil, some sort of silicone oil. I would recommend 15 to 20K in the front and between 12 and 15K in the rear. That will get you really, really nice diff action. It won't diff out all the time. The grease really just doesn't provide much diff action, so that'll help you out a little bit. Only real problem I had was that one of the outdrive screws here on the bottom came undone. You can kind of see it there, all the way there on the outdrive. So just probably pull all those, lock tight up, make sure they're nice and snug, and that way they won't back out on you. Some other tips. The steering wise, yeah, the steering servo is super soft. I would go ahead and add some shims on that. I think I added 2 shims. You could probably even go up to 3. You want about I think it's a 9mm shim. I'm running slightly bigger, like a 9.2 millimeters, and that's a little bit bigger than you really need, but I think 9mm should fit perfectly. So 9 by maybe 3 1mm shims I think would be great. 2 1mm shims would also work as well, but that'll just tighten up the steering. It won't give quite so much. The servo saver is super soft out of the box. The servo on this thing is actually pretty good. It's pretty quick, has plenty of torque, so no issues there. I haven't broken or anything, so I think you can tighten that up a little bit, get you a little bit better steering. Another thing I would do is actually change out the tires and wheels. As you can see, I'm not running the stock wheels and tires anymore. I'm actually running Team Associated like T5, T6 wheels, so that's the proper offset. I'm also running J-Concepts Goosebumps in the green compound. Super grippy tires if you're running on any sort of dirt. These are almost like Velcro. They're amazingly grippy. You know, they're probably not wear all that well because they're really more of a race tire, but stadium truck wheels and tires will fit perfectly. You really want the Team Associated offset to kind of give you that proper offset and match the stock offset of the wheels. But one thing to note is that the stock wheel hexes are really sort of mated for HPI Racing wheels. If you want to change the wheels to a more standard 12mm hex wheel, you do need to get these little adapters. I'll have links in the description below. Really cheap. I paid $8 for a set of mine, like absurdly cheap. So definitely well worth it, so that you can use any sort of standard stadium truck type offset wheel. But yeah, other than that, I made no other changes. Still running stock shocks, stock springs, stock oils, all that kind of stuff. It's just a really, really good little truck. And yeah, definitely if you want to check out this or any other vehicles, go check out Your RC. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit the like, share, subscribe buttons. Look for more videos soon. Thanks for watching.